Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to add subscribe button on YouTube short video. So pretty much guys, all this comes down to is that, for example, if I go into my own short, so this is the short that I've uploaded some time ago, as you can see there's no button to subscribe. So why that is? That's because simply this is my video and I'm unable to subscribe to myself, just like you're not able to follow yourself on, for example, some kind of other social media platform or something like that. If you go to TikTok, you can't follow yourself. So on YouTube, it's the same. So in order for me to see this button on YouTube, I will have to be someone that's not me and that's not my account. So pretty much just watch this video from a different account, right? So have some other account and not having subscribed to my account, as you can see here. And if I am someone else and not myself, I can see that subscribe button. So that's pretty much what this comes down to, guys. Hopefully this clears out some of the misunderstandings. So pretty much just you don't need to do anything at all. YouTube already does everything for you. So if you don't have this button, don't worry. It's just unable to be displayed for you, but other people can see it all the same. So enjoy, guys. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe.